We'll introduce you to the top 5 Chinese companies renowned for their innovative designs, superior quality, and competitive pricing. Whether you're a contractor, designer, or homeowner, these brands are trusted globally for their exceptional shower niche solutions. Let's dive in.
1. Jimu. When it comes to shower niches, Jimu is a name you can trust. As one of China's leading bathroom product manufacturers, Jimu specializes in creating durable and stylish shower niches that combine functionality with modern design. Their products are perfect for both residential and commercial projects, making them a top choice worldwide. For example, Jimu's modern minimalist niche series, with sleek lines and high-quality ceramic materials, has been widely adopted in several high-end hotel projects. Its clean design and easy-to-maintain finish make it a favorite for commercial spaces. 2. Arrow. Arrow is a powerhouse in the bathroom industry, and their shower niches are no exception. Known for their precision engineering and eco-friendly materials, Arrow's shower niches offer a perfect blend of aesthetics and practicality. For example, Arrow's eco-friendly series features shower niches made from recyclable materials and waterproof coatings. This line has been successfully implemented in numerous green building projects, combining style with sustainability. If you're looking for a reliable brand that delivers on quality and environmental responsibility, Arrow should be at the top of your list. 3. Heji. Heji has earned its reputation as a leader in the bathroom sector, and their shower niches are a testament to their commitment to excellence. With a focus on minimalist design and user-friendly features, Heji's shower niches are ideal for modern bathrooms. For example, Heji's Smart Shower Niche series, featuring adjustable storage shelves, allows users to customize the space according to their needs. This series is especially popular among urban, younger families seeking a functional yet stylish bathroom solution. Heji's attention to detail and commitment to customer satisfaction make them a standout choice. 4. Dongpeng. Dongpeng is synonymous with innovation and quality in the bathroom industry. Their shower niches are designed to meet the highest standards, offering a wide range of styles and sizes to suit any project. For instance, Dongpeng's luxury stone niche series, combining the elegance of natural marble with modern storage solutions, has been a top choice for high-end residential and hotel projects. These niches offer both aesthetic appeal and durability, making them a perfect fit for luxury spaces. If you're looking for a brand that combines functionality with cutting-edge design, Dongpeng is a must-consider. 5. Mondway. For those who want luxury and sophistication, Mondway is the go-to brand for shower niches. Specializing in high-end bathroom products, Mondway's shower niches are crafted with premium stainless steel materials and feature elegant designs that elevate any bathroom space. For example, Mondway's premium stainless steel niche series, known for its corrosion resistance and sleek modern look, has been widely used in luxury hotels and private villas across the globe. These products not only offer unparalleled durability, but also add a touch of sophistication to any bathroom. If you're aiming for a premium look and feel, Mondway won't disappoint.
Conclusion. These 5 Chinese manufacturers, Jimu, Arrow, Heji, Dongpeng, and Mondway, are leaders in the shower niche industry, offering products that cater to a wide range of needs and preferences. Whether you prioritize durability, design, or affordability, these brands have you covered. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more expert insights into the world of bathroom products. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.